friends, it's your Mitzi Lighting Stylist here, LaDonna. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install plug-in sconces in your bedroom.
Plug-in sconces are a renter-friendly option. The pull chain allows you to illuminate the sconce from the comfort of your bed. For this project, you will need your new Mitzi light fixture. We're installing the patty sconces, assembly instructions, voltage detector, screwdriver, and box cutter. Safety first. Before you begin, make sure the power is turned completely off at the source. Go to your electrical panel or breaker and switch it off. You can check that there is no power running to the fixture by flipping the fixture switch on and off. We recommend bedside sconces be 55 to 60 inches from the floor to the top of the sconce. If you're installing on a blank wall, use the backplate that comes attached to the fixture. If you are installing over an existing junction box like we are, use the alternate backplate included in the box. Place the body of your fixture onto the mounting plate and secure with set screws. Then insert the harp into the saddle. Screw in the light bulbs. Be sure to use bulbs that are appropriate wattage for the fixture. You can find that information in the assembly instructions. Place the shade onto the harp and secure it with the finial. And that's it. Plug in your fixture, flip the switch, and enjoy your new glow. Show us your new Mitzi piece by tagging us at MyMitzi. We'd love to see it. Be sure to check out the rest of our How to Hang series featuring several other of our favorite Mitzi fixtures.